Deep inside a magical forest, three friends lived beside a beautiful lake, a gentle deer, a wise turtle, and a little bird. They were the best of friends. Every day they shared happiness, laughter, and unforgettable moments together. From the tall trees above to the peaceful waters below, their friendship was stronger than anything in the forest. They spent their days playing near the lake, enjoying the beauty of nature and caring for each other. But one day, a hunter entered their peaceful forest with a plan to capture the innocent deer. The hunter quietly searched through the woods, looking for the perfect chance to catch his prey. Near the shining lake, he placed a hidden trap and covered it with leaves. The danger was invisible, hiding beneath the beauty of the peaceful forest. After setting the trap, the hunter returned to his cabin and rested, waiting for his plan to succeed. While the hunter slept, the forest became quiet under the gentle moonlight. The next morning, the deer walked toward the lake, unaware of the danger waiting ahead. The deer happily drank the fresh water, enjoying the peaceful morning. Suddenly, the hidden trap closed around him. The deer was frightened and cried for help. The deer called out loudly, hoping his true friends would hear his voice. High above the trees, the bird heard his friends cry and quickly flew to help. The brave turtle rushed through the forest. Together, they decided to save their friend. With teamwork and courage, the turtle and bird worked together to free the deer from the trap. At last, the deer was saved. The three friends celebrated their victory beside the lake. From that day on, they remembered one important lesson. True friendship means helping each other in difficult times.